friends, welcome back to Vibe with Humanities. Today, we are going to take a journey through India's forest and wildlife. The tall trees, the thick jungles, the colorful birds, and even the fierce tigers. Our chapter is called Natural Vegetation and Wildlife from Class 8 Geography NCERT. By the end of this video, you will not only know about different types of forest in India, but you will also understand why they grow, where they grow, and how we can protect them. So ready? Let's step into the wild together. Before we dive into the types of forests, let's understand some basics. Natural vegetation means plants that grow naturally without anyone planting them or taking care of them. They grow because the environment around them is perfect for them. Wildlife is all the animals, birds, and insects living in their natural home. Now, India is a super lucky country. We have mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus, rivers, and coast, each with its own climate and soil. That's why our forest and wildlife are so diverse. One question for you. Have you ever been to a forest or a national park? If yes, which one? Tell me in the comments. But wait, why do different plants grow in different places? There are three big reasons behind this. Number one is relief. This means the shape of the land. For example, flat plains have different soil and plants than steep mountains. Fertile soil supports thick forest, while sandy soil supports thorny bushes. Number two is climate. Temperature, rainfall, and sunlight decide what grows. Heavy rain and warm weather, you will get thick green forest. Less rain and hot sun, you will get thorny plants and cactus. Number three is ecosystem balance. Plants and animals depend on each other. Trees give animals food and shelter, and animals help spread seeds or control pests. It's like nature's teamwork. In India, natural vegetation is divided into five main types. Think of them as five different worlds. Number one is tropical evergreen forest. They are always green and always dense. Then comes the tropical deciduous forest. These are the trees that take a short break by shedding leaves. Then comes our tropical thorn forest. These are the desert survivors. Then is montane forest. These are the mountain beauties. And next is the mangrove forest. These are the forest by the sea. Let's explore them one by one like a guided jungle tour. Welcome to the greenest place you will ever see, the tropical evergreen forest. These forests never lose their leaves. Why? Because they grow in areas with more than 200 centimeters of rainfall and high temperature all year round. Where can you find them? Andaman and Nicobar Islands, northeast states like Assam and Meghalaya, the Western Ghats in Kerala and Karnataka. Trees here include ebony, mahogany, and rosewood, tall, strong, and valuable. The forests are so dense that sunlight barely reaches the ground. Wildlife? Oh, it's like a party. You will find elephants, lemurs, monkeys, and hundreds of colorful birds. These forests are like nature's VIP lounge, always fresh and always alive. Now we step into the most common forest in India, the tropical deciduous forest. These forests get 70 to 200 centimeter of rainfall. What is the special thing about them? It is that trees shed all their leaves during the dry season to save water and then grow them back when the rains return. Trees here include teak, sal, sandalwood, and shisham. You will find these forests in states like Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Bihar, and Chhattisgarh. Talking about the wildlife, tigers, elephants, langurs, and peacocks. These forests change with the seasons like nature's wardrobe. Tropical thorn forest and scrubs. This is where the survivors live. Rainfall here is less than 70 centimeter, so plants have adapted to save every drop of water. Where do you find them? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, and parts of the Deccan Plateau. Trees like acacia, cactus, and date palms grow here. They have thick stems and small leaves to store water and reduce evaporation. Animals, camels, rats, foxes, and wild asses. It's likely they have superpowers to live in such heat and dryness. Now let's climb the mountains to the montane forest. The higher you go, the colder it gets, and the trees change too. On lower slopes, you will see evergreen forest. As you go higher, coniferous trees like pine, deodar, and silver fir appear. Wildlife includes snow leopards, Himalayan bears, and wild sheep. These forests look like they are straight out of a holiday postcard. And finally, the coastal warriors, mangrove forest. They grow in salty tidal areas. Their roots stick out of the ground to breathe. These are called breathing roots. The Sundarbans in West Bengal are the most famous mangroves. And guess who lives there? The Royal Bengal tiger. Mangroves protect our coast from storms and waves, making them as important as they are beautiful. So, why should we care about forest and wildlife? They give us oxygen, wood, medicines, and food. They prevent soil erosion and floods. Wildlife keeps nature's food chain balanced. Without forest and animals, life on earth would fall apart. They are not just nice to have, they are a must have. Sadly, forests are being cut down and animals are losing their homes. But the good news is we can protect them. How? National parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves like Jim Corbett, Kaziranga, and Gir. The Wildlife Protection Act 1972 bans hunting of endangered species. And of course, planting more trees, saying no to plastic, and protecting nature around us. Remember, small steps make a big difference. So let's wrap up. India has five main types of natural vegetation: evergreen, deciduous, thorn, montane, and mangrove. Each type has its own climate, plants, and animals. Forest and wildlife are the lungs and heartbeat of our planet, and protecting them is protecting ourselves. If you enjoyed this jungle journey, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Vibe with Humanities for more fun lessons. Until next time, stay curious and stay kind to nature. Bye.